Here I am in my CJ dashboard. Forget about yesterday's earnings. I will go here to reports, performance, and let's filter the last week. I will say custom here and I will select here March 28 to April 5. Run report and you can see my earnings for the last week, $382 as commission. Let's go here to Google AdSense. The last 7 days report, you can see I made $305. So it's around $700 in 7 days, which means $100 per day. I'm not showing you this to brag and tell you, hey, I make money online. No, I'm telling you this, I'm showing you this as a proof that this works. You can do it. I will refresh the page again just for those people, for those sick people really. This is my earnings for the last week in AdSense and this is my earnings for the last week in CJ. I'm not showing you my earnings for YouTube or in my academy or my services because it's somehow advanced. I'm showing you this from Google AdSense and affiliate marketing because I explained this in detail, step by step. I showed you how to do exactly, how to start exactly in affiliate marketing and in Google AdSense without content and with content. I showed you everything here on my channel. I don't know why you are still sleeping. I don't know why you haven't taken any action yet. Maybe you are asking now why my earnings here fluctuates in AdSense. $2 to $126. It's somehow weird. No, it's not weird. If you are following me, you know, last month I was using Ezoic. I was testing this platform to see if it increases my ads earnings or not. So you can see here, I got paid $1,100 from Ezoic last month, and this month I owe them $688. But now I switched back to Google AdSense. I want to do some other tests, and I think it's working. My earnings are somehow increasing inside Google AdSense. Anyway, I will keep you updated about any new tests I do concerning Google AdSense, Ezoic, and so on, and how to increase your earnings. So please follow up with me, subscribe, turn on notifications to get every new update. Let's go back to our work. So here is my earnings in Google AdSense and in CJ. I'm not promising you and telling you if you start today, you will do $100 per day next week. No. To reach this, maybe you need to work at least 6 months, 1 year, but you can do it. You can reach from the next month at least like $5 per day, $10 per day from the next month. But why you are not starting? You have to start. And to help you now in this video, I want to give you some value. In my other videos, I have full courses, free courses, free, totally free. Just go and watch them. But for those lazy people who don't love to watch full courses, I will explain now in minutes what I do, how I make this amount of money per day, how I work online in a couple of minutes, just concerning Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. Mainly, I have 2 websites. My main website, hdk.com, my blog here where I publish articles, and inside the articles, I promote affiliate products. I talked about this in detail last week in a video on how I do affiliate marketing. I explained in detail how I do this, what tools I use, what applications, everything I do in detail, but I really don't know why you don't watch the videos, why you don't learn and apply. So here inside the articles, you will see I have a lot of links here promoting affiliate products. And you can see here I have this banner ad where I promote affiliate products. If you refresh here, you will see now the ad will automatically change and promote other product. And for this, I'm using a plugin inside WordPress. I explained in detail in the video last week. Anyway, so this is the main method I use to promote affiliate products, which is through my content, through my articles. And I explained in my other courses how you can promote without articles, without a website. I explained everything in like 6 case studies. Just go and watch it, please. Case studies, real case studies. I showed you step by step how I chose the product, how I promoted it, how I do everything, and how I got the earnings. You just need to copy my strategy exactly and do it in your end. Anyway, my second website is hsupertools.com. Here mainly I make money from Google AdSense. If you open any tool now, and by the way, if you don't know HSuperTools, you are losing a lot. Each super tools is a free, totally free SEO and digital marketing tools. You can go now and use it totally for free. You can see here in this website, I publish Google AdSense ads. These are the ads. Every time, every month, I change the way I add the advertisements to test different places and different ads to know which is working the best with me. And I'm sharing this with you. So please stay tuned and follow up. I will share with you all the updates, how to increase the earnings in Google AdSense, how to place the ads, what service to use, is Isaiah a good service or not, and so on. So please stay tuned and follow up my upcoming videos. So this is exactly how I earn from Google AdSense. This website gets around 200,000 maybe, or 100,000, 130,000 per month, which is very good amount. And you can see my earnings here, which is very good for a website like this one. How to get traffic, I also explained this in detail in my full free course on how to get traffic. Now you may be asking how to create such tools. In my case, I developed this because I am a programmer. How you can do this, also I told you in a full free course how to do this. You can go to codecanyon.net and simply go to PHP scripts here and search for like example tools. And here you'll find a lot of tools like this one, free SEO tools. We have a lot of tools here. If you search for maybe AdSense, search for Google AdSense, an example, like this one, Crypto King. It's now trending. You can publish a crypto script and add Google AdSense ads on the script. So you can make money from Google AdSense. We have a lot of scripts here you can publish and start making money with ads. This is how I make money from Google AdSense and from affiliate marketing. Again, I'm not showing you my earnings in my academy. If you want a sneak peek, I can give it to you. Here is my dashboard. If you filter the last week, March 28 to April 5, you will see I have made also $550. But I know building an academy and starting online courses, not everyone can do it. I'm showing you something that everyone can do. Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. Anyone can start from scratch with no audience from any country. Anyone can do it. It's just you need to take action and start. And again, if you have any questions, I always tell you this. If you have any questions, I built a forum just for you to help you. heducate.com/forums. Here you can find a lot of forums to ask anything you want. Anything you want. Just submit your questions and I will be with you almost every single day to answer your questions. Also, to help you more, you can go to the more section, topic suggestion, and now you can suggest any topic you want. If you want me to create video about anything, just go here and push your idea and I will see it. And I will try my best to create a video about it, a tutorial about it. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to get every new update almost every day.